Hello students, welcome to Tungal online classes. Today we shall continue the remaining problems based on normal distribution. In the last class we have discussed up to 138 questions. Today we shall start 139th problem. That is, heights of 360 children are normal distributed with the mean 120 centimeters and variance 4 centimeters. Find the expected number of children having heights. First one greater than 118 centimeter, second one between 116 and 119 centimeters, and third one is less than 117 centimeters. Okay, here the first we have to write the given data. Here heights of 360 children, there totally 360 children are there. That is capital N given. Capital N is 360. Okay, 360 children are normal distributed with mean 120 centimeter with mean. Okay, mean is that is mu equal to 120 and variance 4 centimeter. Sigma square is 4 and sigma equal to what? Under root of 4 is 2. Sigma equal to 4. Okay, find the expected number of children having heights. Okay, here it is the first step. Second step is you have to write the SNV. The SNV is the standard normal variate is. Okay. Here the SNV is the standard normal variate. SNV means the standard normal variate is. Okay. In hypernormal distribution, normal distribution, you have to write the PMF is. Okay. Here you have to write the SNV is. Here Z equal to SNV is what? Z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Follows normal distribution 0, 1 with mean 0 and variance 1. SNV mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1. Z equal to x minus mu by sigma follows normal distribution 0, 1. Then substitute the values. Z equal to x minus mu. Mu value is what? 120. Mu value is 120 by sigma equal to 2. Z equal to x minus 120 divided by 2. Okay, this is the second step. Third step is you have to find the expected number of children having heights. Expected number of children having heights greater than 118 centimeters. Means here let x denote the heights of the students. Here x denote the heights of the students. Means you have to find probability of x is greater than 118. First question, what is the first question? Here greater than 118. Here find the expected number of children having heights greater than 118. Means you have to find probability of x. X is equal to height is greater than 118. Okay, it is equal to you have to find probability of x is greater than 118. Means here probability of x minus here you have to write z value, that is x minus, you don't know x value, therefore you have to write this only x minus 120 divided by 2 is greater than x value is what? 118. Here x value is 118 minus 120 divided by 2. Here once again here you have to find probability of x is greater than 118. Okay, we don't know x value. First we have to write z value only, that is x minus 120 divided by 2 as it is greater than 118. Okay, here x value is what? 118 minus 120 divided by 2. Okay, then simplify. Probability of x minus 120 divided by 2 is equal to what? Z. Probability of z is greater than 118 minus 120 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by plus 2 is minus 1. Okay, here you have to find area from, see, you have to draw a small curve. That is minus infinity to infinity, it is 0. Here minus 1 belongs to 0 to minus infinity side. It is a minus 1. Okay. Here symbol is what? Symbol is what? Greater than. Okay. Greater than means minus 1 to minus infinity or minus 1 to infinity. Okay. Greater than means you have to say minus 1 to infinity. It is okay. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, here the symbol is greater than, therefore you have to say minus 1 to infinity. Minus 1 to infinity. Suppose if the symbol is less than minus 1, then you have to say minus 1 to infinity. Okay. Okay, here you have to find area from minus 1 to infinity. Here you have to find area from minus 1 to infinity. You have to find area from minus 1 to infinity. You have to find shaded area. ಯಾವ shaded ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು area find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. That is minus 1 to infinity. Area from minus 1 to infinity is, you have to refer table values, normal table values. Okay, here z value is minus 1. Therefore, you have to use page number 429. Okay, so z to infinity, area under the normal curve from z to infinity. Here z value is negative, means okay, minus 3.5, minus 3.4 up to so on minus 0.00. Suppose if z value is positive, then you have to use page number 430, z equal to 0.1, 0.0, 0.1 up to so on 3.0. Okay, here z value is minus, therefore you have to use page number 429. Okay, minus 1 to infinity, minus 1. Okay, it belongs to, say here minus 1 illa nodi, minus 1 to infinity. Infinity means you have to take 0 only, that is minus 1 to 0 is 0.8413. What answer is what? 0.84 minus 1, 1.0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ? That is 0.8413. Okay, here 0.8413. That is probability of x is greater than 118 is 0.8413. Once again, you have to z value. Okay, z value, say z value ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, z value first column is z. Okay, z value ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 ಅದು, minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, minus 1. Okay, next minus 1 to infinity ಅದು, infinity ಇದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಗೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. That is minus 1 to 0 ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ 0.8413. You have to write 0.8413. Suppose minus 1.6 ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1.6 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, okay, 2 digit ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1.63 ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1.63 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 0.98, so 9484 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, next it is greater than 118. Okay, here they are asking find the expected number of children having heights. You have to find height of the students, expected height of the students, expected number of heights of students. Here height of the students, number of children is, number of children is capital N into probability of x is greater than 118. So to find capital N into total number of children into probability of x is greater than 118. Capital is what? 360. 360 into probability of x is greater than 118 is what? 0.8413. Here 360 into 0.8413 is 360 into 0.8413 is 302.86. 302.86. Okay, means approximately it is 303. Number of children are 303. Okay, it is the first one. Okay, next, second, between 116 and 119. Second, you have to find second one. Probability of x lies between. Okay, x lies between 116 and 119. Here, we write 116 and 119. Here, we have to find probability of x lies between 116 and 119. Okay, here, probability of x value is what? 116. Substitute the values. X value is 116. 116 minus 120 divided by 2. Okay, x minus 120. You have to write z value. Minus x minus 120 divided by 2. X value is 119. 119 minus 120 divided by 2. Okay, simplify. 116 minus 120. 116 minus 120 is minus 4. Minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. X minus 120 divided by 2 is equal to z. 119 minus 120 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5. Okay, here we have to try a small curve. Minus infinity 0. Here minus first value is minus 0.5. second is minus 2. Both the values are minus negatives, means you have to find area from this minus 2 to minus 0.5. Okay, here you have to find area from minus 2 to minus 0.5. Area from minus 2 to minus 0.5. You have to find area from minus 2 to minus 0.5. Okay, it can be split into, we can't find directly. It can be split into area from minus 2 to infinity minus area from minus 0.5 to infinity. Okay, we ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ minus 2 to infinity ದಾಗ minus 0.8 0.5 to infinity minus ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2 to minus 0.5 ಇದೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ z to infinity ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, z to z ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, z to infinity ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, that's why we can split into area from minus 2 to infinity. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ minus 2 to minus 0.5 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, here area from it can be split into area from minus 2 to infinity. Area from minus 2 to infinity minus area from minus 0.5 to infinity. Area from minus 0.5 to infinity. Okay, here you have to refer table values. Area from minus 2 to infinity. Okay, minus 2. Z value is minus, means you have to use page number 429. Minus 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. minus 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, minus 2 to infinity. minus 2.0 to infinity ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 0.9772. 0.9772 minus area from minus 0.5. minus 0.5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ minus 0.5 to infinity ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 0.6915. 0.6915. Here 0.977 to minus 0.6915 is 0.2857. 0.2857. It is the probability of lies between 116 to 119. Okay. Next, we want number of children. Here number of children is equal to capital N into probability of x lies between 116 and 119. Here capital N is 360 into 0.2857. Then we will get 360 into 0.2857 is 102.85. 102.85 means approximately it is 103. Number of children is 103. Okay, next we have to find third one. Less than 117 centimeter. We have to find probability of x is less than, symbol is less than 117. Okay, here we have to write probability of x minus 120 by 2. Okay, here x value is what? 117. 117 minus 120. Substitute the values. Then x value is what? 1. Okay, x value is 117. 117 minus 120 divided by 2. Okay, it is equal to probability of x minus 120 divided by 2 is z is less than 117 minus 120 is minus 1.5. So minus 3 divided by 2 is minus 1.5. Okay, here we have to draw small curve minus infinity 0. Here z value is what? See here minus 1.5 means this side you are taking minus 1.5. Here symbol is less than. Okay, less than upon this side setting to the minus 1.5 to minus infinity. Suppose if it is positive, okay, z is greater than minus 1.5 upon the minus 1.5 to infinity setting. Okay, here symbol is less than, therefore shaded region is minus infinity to minus 1.5. Okay, here we want area from minus infinity to minus 1.5. Here area from minus 1.5 to infinity. You want area from minus 1.5 to infinity. Okay. Here in table values will get area from z to infinity, not infinity to z. Okay, it can be split into, again it can be split into area from minus infinity to infinity. Okay, area from minus infinity to infinity minus area from minus 1.5 to infinity. Okay, it can be split into area from minus infinity to infinity minus area from minus 1.5 to infinity. Okay, here area from minus infinity to infinity is what? 1. Okay, total area under denominator is 1. Area from minus infinity to infinity is 1. Okay, next area from minus 1.5 to infinity. Okay, here we have to refer table values. Here z value is minus 1.5, means you have to use page number 429. Minus 1.5 minus 1.5 11 minus 1.5 is 0.9332. 0.9332. 1 minus 0.9332 is 0.0668. 0.0668. It is probability of x is less than 117. Okay. Next, what you have to find? Next, you want number of children. Okay, here number of children equal to capital N into probability of x is less than 117. Capital N into probability of x is less than 117. Okay, here you have to substitute the values. Capital N is what? 360 into 0.0668. Then we get 24.04, means approximately it is number of children are 24. Number of children are 24. Okay. The next problem number 140. Problem number 140. The mean IQ of a large number of children of age 14 is 95 and the standard deviation is 6. Assuming the distribution as normal, find the percentage of the children has IQ under 85. Second one, what proportion of the children has IQ above 90? Solution. Here first we are trying given data. Given the mean IQ of a large number of children of age 14 is 95. The mean IQ of a large number of children of age 14. Age 14 is 95. Mean is what? 95, not 14. Age is 14 and mean is 95. Given mu equal to 95 and the standard deviation and sigma equal to 6 and the standard deviation is 6. Assuming the distribution as normal, means you have to write next step is what? The SNV is z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Substitute the values. Z equal to x minus mu. Mu value is 95 divided by sigma value is 6. Okay. Here next we have to find the percentage of the children has IQ under 85. Here first one, you have to find probability of x is less than 85. Under 85. Here you have to find probability of x is less than 85. Find the percentage of the children has IQ under 85. Under means below. Here you have to find probability of x is less than 85. Okay. Here write down probability of x. You know the x values. Right, as it is x minus 95 divided by 6 is less than x value is 85. Substitute the value. X value is 85. 85 minus 95 divided by 6. Probability of x minus 95 by 6 is z is less than 85 minus 95 is minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 6 is minus 1.66. Minus 1.66. Okay, here you have to draw a small curve for identification purpose. Minus infinity to infinity it is 0. Here z value is minus 1.66. See here minus 1.66. Okay. Here symbol is less than. Less than means this at shaded region, that is minus 1.66 to minus infinity. It is a shaded region. Suppose if it is positive, then area from minus 1.66 to infinity this side. Here minus 1.66 to infinity. Here we want area from shaded region to the area from minus infinity to minus 1.66. Here area from minus 1.66 to infinity. We want area from minus 1.66 to infinity. Okay. Here in normal table values we will get only area from z to infinity, not infinity to z. Okay. Again it can be split into area from minus infinity to infinity. Area from minus infinity to infinity. Area from minus infinity to infinity minus area from minus 1.66 to infinity minus area from minus 1.66 to infinity. Here area from minus infinity to infinity, the total area of the normal curve is what? 1 minus area from minus 1.66 to infinity. Here we have to refer table values. The x value is, so z value is minus, therefore we have to use page number 429. Minus 1.66 is 0.9515. Okay, 1.66. Okay, 6 no less bರ್ತದೆ minus 1.9515. 0.9515. Here 1 minus 0.9515 is 0.0485. 0.0485. It is probability of x is less than 85, under 85. Okay. Here they are asking find the percentage of the children has IQ under 85. Percentage of children. Okay, they are asking percentage of children. Here percentage of children is equal to percentage means what? 100. That is 100 into probability of x is less than 85. Okay, that is 100 into 0.0485 is 4.85. Percentage of children is 4.85. This is the first one. Okay, next second one. What proportion of the children has IQ above 90? Above means greater than. Means we have to find probability of x is greater than 90. Probability of x is greater than 90. Okay, here we don't know x value, put as it is. Probability of x minus, okay, mu value is what? 95 by sigma, that is 6 is greater than, x value is 90 minus 95 divided by 6. Then clear the probability of x minus 95 by 6 is nothing but z. Z is greater than 90 minus 95 is 5. So minus 5 divided by 6 is 0.833. Minus 0.833. Okay, enough. 2 digits enough. 0.83. Okay. Here you have to draw small curve. Here z value is minus 0.83 means this side you have to plot 0.83. Here symbol is greater than means shaded region is minus 0.83 to infinity this side. We want area from minus 0.83 to infinity. We want area from minus 0.83 to infinity. We want area from minus 0.83 to infinity. Okay, we get direct value, that is area from minus 0.83. Okay, minus 0.8. Okay, minus 0.83 is 0.7967. 0.83. Next 3 is 0.7967. 0.7967. 0.7967. Okay, it is the answer. Okay, they are asking only proportion. Proportion is what? 0.7969. That is above 90 is 0.7967. Okay, it is the 140th problem. Okay, next problem. Problem number 141. Next, problem number 141. Here, if x follows normal distribution, that is 100 comma 3 square, find the probability that the value of the variate lies between first one 97 and 106, second one is 100 and 103. Solution. Here, they are given x follows normal distribution with the parameters 100 and 3 square. Here 100 and 3 square means here they are given x follows normal distribution with the parameters 100 and 3 square. Means it is in the form of mu and sigma square. Here therefore given mu is 100 and sigma square value is sigma square 3 square is what 9 and sigma value equal to 3. Okay, here x follows normal distribution with the parameters mu and sigma square. Mu value is 100 and sigma square value is 3 square means 9. Sigma square value is 9 and 3. Sigma value is what 9. Under root of 9 is 3. Okay, here the next step is you have to write the SNV is z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Z equal to x minus mu by sigma. That is z equal to x minus mu. Mu value is what 100 by sigma. Sigma value is 3. Okay. Here first one, find the probability that the value of the variate lies between. That is probability of x lies between 97 and 106. Probability of x lies between 97 and 106. Okay, here you have to substitute x value is 97 and here this side 106. Here probability of x value is 97 minus 100 divided by 3 and put as it is x minus 100. We don't know x value, therefore we have to write that value only. X minus 100 over 3 and x value is 106 minus 100 divided by 3. Okay, it is equal to probability of 97 minus 100 is minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1 and x minus z it is equal to z and 106 minus 100 is 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, you have to plot small curve. Here minus infinity z. Here z value is what minus 1 this side. You have to draw. Next here plus 2 means this side. You want area from minus 1 to z2. You want area from minus 1 to 2. Here area from minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2. Area from minus 1 to 2. Here it can be split. Into area from minus 1 to infinity minus area from 2 to infinity. Okay, minus 1 to infinity daga 2 to infinity minus ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ remaining minus 1 to 2 ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ area. Okay, here you can split into area from minus 1 to infinity minus area from 2 to infinity. Okay, for table values, area from minus 1 to infinity is z value is minus. Here minus 1 to infinity 0.8413 minus area from 2 to infinity. Here 2 is z value is 2. It is positive. You have to use page number 430. 2 to infinity 2.0 to infinity is 0.0. 0.0228. 0.0228. Okay. The next minus here 0.8413 minus 0.0228 is 0.8185. 0.8185. It is probability of x lies between 97 and 106 is 0.8185. 0.8185. Okay. The next second, what you have to find? It is also lies between. It lies between 100 to 103. X lies between 100 to 103. Here, probability of x lies between 100 to x lies between 100 to 103. Put x is 100. Where probability of 100 minus mu value is 100 divided by sigma value is 3. Sigma value is 3. Next, x minus 100 divided by 3. Okay, x value is 103. 103 minus 100 divided by 3. Okay, it can be split into. Okay, simplify. Probability of 100 minus 100 divided by 3. Okay, 100 minus 100 is what? 0. 0 divided by 3 is what? 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Here probability of 0 and x minus 100 by 3 is 1. What? That and 100 minus 103 minus 100 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Okay, you have to draw a small curve. Minus infinity to infinity 0. Here 0 is there and remaining is 1. We want area from 0 to 1. Here area from, we want area from 0 to 1. Say that reason. We have area from 0 to 1. Okay, it can split into area from 0 to infinity. Area from 0 to infinity minus area from 1 to infinity. Okay, here you want area from 0 to infinity minus area from 1 to infinity. Okay, here area from 0 to infinity. Okay, previous problem area from minus. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇತ್ತು -1 ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ -1 to infinity minus area from 2 to infinity ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Here z value is 0 means here you have to find area from 0 to infinity minus area from -1 to infinity, sorry plus 1 to infinity. Okay, 0 to infinity ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 to infinity minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ remaining area from 0 to 1 space ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here area from 0 to infinity is what 0.5. The total area ಅನ್ನೋದು amount is what 1. Okay, 0 to infinity is 0.5 and 0 to minus infinity is 0.5. Okay, next area from 1 to infinity. You want area from 1 to infinity. Here you have to refer table values. Z value is positive 1.0. 1.0 to infinity is 0.1587. See, 1.0 to infinity is 0.1587. 0.1587. That is 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 0.1587 is 0.3413. 0.3413. It is the probability of x lies between. Therefore, probability of x lies between 100 to 103 is 0.3413. This is the answer. 0.3413. Okay. Next. Okay. The remaining problems we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.